Okay, so today we're going to show you how to remove and replace a night latch in a double hung window. The color doesn't make a difference. I have a white. This is obviously brown for the laminate. I'm going to use a putty knife. You also can use a flat-headed screwdriver to remove the night latch. So we're going to come over to the window. Here's the night latch we're going to remove. I'm going to get my putty knife behind it, and we're just going to slowly pry forward from the top and pop it out, and then we'll remove it. To replace, I'm going to use the white one. You're going to put the bottom in first, you're going to hold it, and then we're going to push the top in until it snaps. So we have replaced the night latch with a new one.